See that? Alright, now this is going to be my first time using a beam cutting guide. This is the Timber Tuff brand. They're all over the place, Menards, all that. Let's see how it does. I just went and rolled this log over and we put it on a pallet, kind of in the crook of the pallet. Alright, let's get the cutting, eh? Alright guys, sorry to have to be shooting the video like this. I'm having a little bit of difficulties with my battery staying in, so it keeps cutting out. So I lost a whole bunch of video of cutting that slab, and I'm not going to use this anymore. I really don't like it. You have to keep tightening the darn thing, otherwise your chainsaw slides. And then I had to tighten it so much just to get it to stay that I think I got a little bit of a kink in my bar now. Not really that happy about that. Also, the slab, I really can't use it unless I'm going to cut out the inside of it or something, haul it out and do some epoxy stuff with it. But as you can see, it's all punked. The entire core of this is all punked all the way up. So, Timber Tuff, good concept for this, but I think you just ruined my bar. Those set screws just don't stay tight. Well, hopefully I could save somebody the hassle of getting that and screwing around with it, because I don't think it was worth the money. I'm going to get me an Alaskan mill, and I got a 36-inch bar, and I ordered another one. Got a 36-inch bar I'll use with that. I'll have to see if I can't just use this 28-inch just for firewood from here on out. Alright guys, well, cut my first slab with it, sitting back behind me. I don't really know. I'm kind of disappointed that Timber Tuff. I had some high hopes for it. There was a lot of YouTube videos of people using them and seeming to like them, but I just can't get past how tight you have to make them in order for them to work. If I give you any ideas or you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. God bless you and your families. I'll pray for yours. You pray for mine. I hope you all are healthy and well and having a good time. No matter when you are, where you are, morning, afternoon, evening, and good night. God bless, and I'll catch y'all later.